Hi friends, I hope you all are doing fine. I haven't been uploading videos lately because I have been working on my comics. It is my first ever attempt to create one. So it's taking too much of my time. And I just realized I'm horrible at digital inking. So there's that issue. I'm thinking of posting my comic chapters online somewhere. We'll update here once I start posting. Now to the topic. So on 24th of November this year, I received an email from someone through my website's contact form. According to him or her, if I don't pay them a certain amount of money, they will destroy my life and business. The mail started as, "Your reputation and business are at stake." At this point, I thought it's an advertisement for some sort of antivirus or website protection services. But no. Then they proceeded to threaten me saying they will send my info on my behalf to this many sites, bloggers, politicians for some reasons, people with disabilities, veterans, etc. Now it's not like they will just send my info as is, they will send them with abuse and threat to these people pretending to be me. Also, they will send them to BLM and LGBT communities because according to them, the communities are dangerous. Oh, and they will also spam the hell out of my site so that my site gets blacklisted or banned. According to the blackmailer, people will sue me and I will go to jail. Then they told me they're ready to launch an attack against me and my site unless I pay them around $7,500. My deadline was 27th November. Oops. Now what do I feel about it? Well, I feel sorry for the blackmailer that they had to threaten someone who can hardly pay her own bills. Heck, my YouTube channel is not monetized either. Are you listening, Brazilian channel traders that keep messaging me to buy my channel if it monetizes? Yeah, I'm getting those too. So anyways, I want to say if you get any fishy message from anyone with my name on their ID, just don't believe it's me right away. I have specific business contacts. So I won't use a GSN Art 01 or a GSN Does Art or any other such variations. Yeah, if my contacts get compromised, then it's a different story. Even then, it won't be me. It will definitely be someone pretending to be me. Unfortunately, I have no money whatsoever. So I think threatening a poor person is such a waste of time. Don't you think? I mean, no way in the world I can pay anyone. I wonder who came up with the idea of harassing a struggling artist. That's the dumbest thing you can do for money. There's a reason struggling artist trope exists. Because it's true! Okay, so I have contacted my site host company and the police via mail. So if I see something in motion, I'll contact them again. In the meantime, I made this video to let people know that if someone really has enough time in their hand to send spam abuse to all those people pretending to be me, then it's definitely not me. Even if they use automation system, still not me. Lol. Now I'll go back to doing my comics. Do you guys like comics? Would you like me to make some videos on my comics? Let me know. Thanks for watching. I'd appreciate your support. Take care and see you soon. Bye!